In our previous session, we examined distinguishing and identifying different types of plastic and rubber materials. Plastic is lightweight and moldable through chemical processes, solidifying when heated, offering versatility in shapes and uses. In today's class, we will discuss the topic of rubber material and its uses. Rubber is a non-metallic elastic material similar in appearance to plastic but exhibits greater elasticity. It can be stretched easily and returns to its original shape when released after stretching. Rubber is impermeable to water and can float on water surfaces. There are two types of rubber, natural and synthetic rubber. Natural rubber is derived from latex, a milky liquid extracted from rubber trees, while synthetic rubber is produced from organic materials derived from petroleum. Uses of rubber. 1. Tires. Rubber is a primary component in tire manufacturing for various vehicles. 2. Consumer products. It is used to make items like hand gloves, buckets, raincoats, and rain boots due to its waterproof and elastic properties. 3. Industrial applications. Rubber serves as an elastic and shock absorber, finding use in industrial applications and products. 4. Footwear. Rubber is commonly used in the production of shoes and sandals, providing comfort and durability. 5. Seals and gaskets. Rubber's flexible and resilient nature makes it ideal for creating seals and gaskets in machinery and equipment. 6. Medical products. Rubber is used to manufacture various medical products, such as surgical gloves, syringe tips, and catheters, due to its hygienic properties. Methods of processing plastics and rubber. Vacuum forming, extrusion, calendering, compression molding, injection molding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.